If you're looking for the best hybrid bike tires you can buy today, you've come to the right place.
Whether you're commuting daily, riding mixed terrain, or just want to avoid frustrating punctures, choosing the right tire makes a huge difference. In this video, we've rounded up 5 of the best hybrid bike tires based on puncture protection, performance, durability, and overall value.
We've considered real-world riding, long-term reliability, and rider feedback to help you make the right choice. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1, Schwalbe Marathon Plus. When it comes to puncture protection, nothing has built a reputation quite like the Schwalbe Marathon Plus. This tire has been the go-to choice for commuters and e-bike riders for years, and for good reason. Schwalbe uses a super strong Smart Guard puncture protection belt made from highly elastic rubber. In fact, even thumbtacks and drawing pins struggle to get through it.
On Schwalbe's own scale, this tire scores a 7 out of 7 for puncture protection.
Despite weighing around 750 grams per tire, it doesn't feel sluggish on the road. It's comfortable, durable, and built to last thousands of miles.
Reflective sidewalls improve nighttime safety, and it's fully e-bike compatible.
The downside? Hard cornering can feel a little nervous compared to sportier tires, but for commuting and everyday riding, it's hard to beat. Best choice if you want maximum puncture resistance and long-term reliability. Number 2, Bontrager H2 Hardcase Light Hybrid. If you want strong puncture protection without breaking the bank, the Bontrager H2 Hardcase Light is an excellent choice. This tire punches well above its price.
After hundreds of kilometers on broken pavement, gravel, debris, and even glass, riders reported 0 punctures.
That's impressive, especially at this price point.
It's versatile, durable, and ideal for mixed surface commuting. Reflective sidewalls add visibility, making it a solid all-weather option. The trade-off is weight. It's noticeably heavier, which means it's not ideal for long-distance or fast-paced road rides.
But for daily commuting and reliability, it's fantastic. Best value tire for budget-conscious commuters. Number 3, Pirelli Cinturato Road. Looking for performance without going tubeless?
The Pirelli Cinturato Road delivers speed, grip, and solid puncture protection in a clincher setup.
With a 60 TPI construction and plenty of rubber, this tire feels robust while still rolling efficiently. It offers confident cornering and surprisingly good comfort, especially when run at slightly lower pressures. At around 350 grams, it sits nicely between lightweight race tires and heavy-duty commuters.
The grip is excellent, though the central compound can feel a bit slippery on wet climbs. Perfect for riders who want speed and confidence without tubeless hassle. Number 4, Continental Gator Skin. The Continental Gator Skin is a classic and still one of the most trusted puncture-resistant road tires out there. It blends speed with durability, making it ideal for riders who don't want flats slowing them down. Compared to Continental's Grand Prix tire, the Gator Skin adds extra puncture protection with only a small weight penalty.
At around 90 psi, it feels fast and controlled, even on rough tarmac. The sidewalls are stiffer than premium summer tires, but that rigidity pays off in long-term reliability. Great for road-focused hybrid riders who want fewer flats and consistent performance.
Number 5, Hutchinson Challenger. Rounding out the list is the Hutchinson Challenger, a tire built with endurance in mind. It features a reinforced puncture protection layer, a harder center compound for lower rolling resistance, and softer side compounds for confident cornering. During testing, riders experienced no punctures, and the tire held up exceptionally well over time.
Grip is reliable, especially when cornering, though the center compound can slip slightly on wet climbs. Still, considering the price, often less than half of some competitors, it offers excellent value. best choice if durability and longevity are your top priorities.
And there you have it, the 5 best hybrid bike tires you can buy today. Whether you're chasing puncture-proof peace of mind, better performance, or unbeatable value, there's something here for every rider.
All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our daily uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.